How's it going, YouTube? It's Angel Barber back with another YouTube tutorial, and today we're gonna be doing a mid to low drop fade tutorial. So let's get right into this video. We're gonna start off with debulking all around the head so we have a nice canvas to work with. I'm gonna flick out at the top just so we don't create any harsh lines, using the comb to feed the hair into the clipper. Then we proceed with our no guard lever closed, setting in our first initial guideline. I'm using these almost like a liner, setting in our bald line. So I use that just to make it easier on me and not set anything too harsh. At the end of the day, it'll be easier to take out. Then we're going up about 1/4 of an inch, setting in our second guideline, which is the lever open, no guard. And then we're gonna go ahead and take out that line, closing our lever, flicking out using the corner of our blade. Then with our number 1 guard, we're gonna go ahead and proceed and set in our third initial guideline, flicking out as well so we don't set nothing too harsh. With our number 2, we're gonna go in and start flicking into the number 3, which is our highest guard that we use to debulk. So we're just gonna go ahead and start blending everything in to have a nice smooth transition. Now with our number 1, we're gonna go ahead and start fading down, just flicking out that number 2 and eventually closing it, softening up that number 1 guideline that we made. As you see, I'm lever playing. Now with our half guard, we're gonna go in and open and close our lever as we need to really take out that number 1 guideline, using the corner of our blade as well. It's gonna help you really take out that really take out that line that you're gonna want to take out. A lot of it is just using your corner of your blade and opening and closing as you need to. Keep in mind, the higher you go, the more you want to have the lever open, just to avoid any harsh lines or any lines you don't want to have, and eventually bring up the fade higher. Notice too how I'm pulling the scalp to really see what I'm working with and to eventually take out that line that we want to take out. Now with our no guard open, we're just gonna go ahead and detailing and getting any dark spots out to get that nice transition that we want. Now with our liners, we're gonna go ahead and really bald out. We're gonna proceed with doing the C cups. We start from the corner and then eventually start to arc our way down, just tapping and go, and then using the corner of our blade as well to really get that arc that we want. Now what you do to one side YouTube, you do to the other. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this fast forward. Man, I just want to say thank you to all the subscribers that have been subscribing to me, all the viewers, and just in general, all the support that I've been getting from YouTube. Thank you, it means a lot. We're on our way to 200 subscribers. The goal is to get it by the end of March. We're more than halfway there, so why not go for 300? You know? It's a possible goal, so let's hit that 300 subscriber mark by the end of this month. And again, if you guys like this video, please make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button. You guys killed that last video. We're almost at 3K views, so I really appreciate that, guys, and I'm gonna let this fast forward. Now we're just going in with our thinning shears, softening up that blend into the bulk, just so it doesn't look separated. Last but not least, we're gonna go in with our shavers to get that blend nice and tight to the skin. And this is gonna finish off the haircut and give it that nice clean look you're gonna want. Upwards as you see, and then we go downwards just to clean it up and, you know, make sure we leave no guidelines. Now we're gonna go ahead and style. We're gonna use a Tune 45 styling powder. I recommend this powder. Is one of the best powders I've used, hands down. And we apply it and we just run it through the scalp and give it that look. But if you like this video, YouTube, please make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button. You guys been killing it. Let's get to 300 subscribers by the end of March. It's possible. It's a reasonable goal, so I don't see why we can't do it. Thank you again for all the support and love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want more videos like this, smash the thumbs up button. Check out my Instagram. I'll be having short form content there, and just in general daily vlogs on there as well. So go follow your boy. It's Angel Barber, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. See you guys.